here's where we really start to make a big gap between us and the other credit repair companies. Because rather than just continue to go after those same items over and over again with limited chance of success or deletion, what we're gonna do is switch gears and really help your clients achieve home ownership by knocking out those lingering debts that are stopping them. We're going to help your clients look themselves in the mirror and say, hey, enough's enough. Let's quit running away from these items, turn around and just deal with them. So what we will do is help your clients with settlements, pay for deletions, and other negotiations with the validated creditors to get those items not only removed from the credit report if possible, but also settled for a fraction of the price so that we can put more money towards the down payment, towards savings, towards anything but these bad debts. We also want to make sure that if your client has a lingering item that they absolutely disagree with, that we give them relief there as well. So we've teamed up with some of the most amazing Fair Credit Reporting Act and Fair Debt Collection Practices Act attorneys in the country. So if an item is verified and your client adamantly disagrees, we are going to forward them to these attorneys who will pursue those creditors in violation at no cost to your client. So we always have a solution for your client if they truly disagree with an item, and if they don't, then it's time to take accountability for it, and we will help them with that as well. On top of that, we're going to look at their credit cards and make sure that A, they have these good positive credit building accounts on their credit report and that they're using them wisely, and if they don't, that we help them obtain those and also show them how to maintain those so that they keep sky high credit scores, and the next time that rates drop and it's time for a refinance or it's time for a move up purchase, you're pulling a 720 credit score rather than a 560. We're also going to do a bunch of credit education and budgeting with your clients to make sure that they truly understand not just the what in terms of how to get their scores sky high, but the why behind it. Why would you pay a credit card down and keep it in the 5 to 10% range? Why would you not go out and just pay a collection off? They're going to understand all of those things as long as they're engaged in our process.